Hello again, Choro collecting clowns? It's not meant to be an insult, but let's face it, these are funny looking toys, and so I guess we're all kind of clownish inside if we're collecting these things. And so here's one called the Toyota Succeed. So the bottom tells me here, I bought this loose, so no packaging, and it says Taiwan 2003 was when this thing was made. Number 8 of a variety pack number 3. I wonder what else is in that variety pack. I might have to search that one day. But it's got the ChoroQ logo here, so that's kind of interesting. And the funny thing about this car, called the Succeed, is it wasn't really successful. It started out in 2002, and then there's a facelift in 2014, and then it stopped in 2020. So a pretty good production run, 18 years. But there is no more Toyota Succeed, probably because this is not a really attractive vehicle. I don't think it's very attractive. That front end, boring. Looks like a Fiat, maybe. Just not an exciting vehicle to look at. Alright, but there's ChoroQ. We got some black printing here for that side molding. There's molding on the bumper. It's got steel wheels, very appropriate, I think. Nice texture in the grill, but there needs to be black paint down here. But here, not. The Toyota badge is nice. It's actually molded into the grill. Maybe some silver Sharpie will bring that out. And then we have the dark headlights, which are the same as this up here. Nothing up here, so, except for some rain gutters. And then back here we have some red for the taillights. There are some molded details on the lights, so that's nice. And then that black molding again is painted black. Toyota badge in the back as well is molded in, so that looks good. And we saw the bottom already. Boy, can I spruce this up? I might as well. I'm just not going to put much effort into it. Just going to pick some Hot Wheels Real Riders. Bought like a 100 pack of these Hot Wheels things, and so I got to use them up. These are actually pretty nice steel wheels, actually. But, yeah. We got to do something in this channel, right? I'm going to put in this ugly, colorful motor from something else. But I took the axle out. Where'd the screwdriver go? Alright, I'm not going to bore you with picking out wheels, so let me come back. Well, did I succeed? Didn't. These are Hot Wheel Real Riders that I ended up painting metallic blue. I figured why not. Might be hard to see unless there's a lot of light in there, but I use poster board putty. Potafix Pro is what it's really called, but any wall mount putty will work. Alright, a couple other boxy vans. We have a Honda Step Wagon here, and I swapped some wheels from a different ChoroQ onto that one. This is one of my favorite ones here, a Nissan Elgrand with some 3D printed wheels. It's got a lot of details, you know, the printed wiper blades, registration tags, and like molded in mirrors. So that's a cool one. And then I have another Toyota called the Boxy, and this has some Real Riders as well. They painted gold. So that's it. Alright. Got a little baseball character up here today. So I think it looks better than it was. It's still not an exciting van though. I did add a little black paint to that bottom grill and a little silver to the Toyota logo on the front. Didn't bother on the back though. So that's it for today. I guess I'll see you tomorrow.